Hey guys, just really quickly before this video I wanted to say I'm sorry for the gap in uploads. I just went camping with my family really quickly and all I could do before I went camping was upload that last video. So, here's the video. Sorry about that. Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's episode of Here's the Storm we will be trying out a build for Chromie that I think works. I'm not sure. So, when you enter Here's the Storm, click on the button at the top labeled Shop. Go to the Heroes tab and then click Chromie. See how she costs 10,000 gold. Do not click the button to buy her. You have successfully played Chromie. Look at this! This is what normal teams look like. 2 tanks as support, 2 tanks as support, except for normally you have 1 tank. Okay. Alright, last spawn on the Battlefield of Eternity. And, my camera's locked. Level 1, you go for Compounding Ether. Chromie is really hard to play, just so you know. That's why I told you not to buy her. What the Compounding Ether does is, after hitting 25 people with our Q, we get 400 or 100 more damage on it. It's pretty nice. So, Chromie, her abilities. Your E puts a little trap on the ground that arms after 2 seconds, and then we'll put somebody in stasis for 2 seconds when they walk on it. I'm going to put it in this push, because I can. Q. After 1 second, you throw a projectile out. It's got a 1 second cast time, not a 1 second travel time. Look at me, I'm so good at this game. I thought he would back up there, but he didn't. They are just taking my damage. They're not even trying to mitigate it. They're just taking it to the face. I didn't want to cast it there. Why would you do this to me? So really what we want to do here is hit Morales. Your W ability. It's like a Tyrande stun, but it's damage and not stun. It's a lot of damage too. It's just a little bit more damage than your Q is. Yeah, walk into that. Dude, I'm at 9 stacks at the 1 minute mark. And ow, ow. Okay, he didn't hit anybody. Tyrael explodes after he dies, and it does a big bunch of damage if you're a squishy. It's not much if you're a tank, you can kind of live with it, but I'm not a tank. I have 1,300 health at level 2. It's not very much. I'm pretty squishy. Boop! Hitting that Q. Here, let's see if I can hit like a Gul'dan or something, because hitting Johanna's not doing much. I mean, it's getting me stacked, and that's nice. But I'd rather hit Gul'dan because he has much lower health. They're all just clumping up and allowing me to hit him. Oh my god, I'm out of mana because I've been spamming abilities all game. Chromie almost never has mana problems, and the fact that I'm at 19 stacks at the 3 minute mark, it's pretty nice. It's because they've been walking into my skills. Yeah, walk into that. Walk into that, Johanna. They think they can race us, but really, they can't. I'm just getting free poke out. And that is stacked. My Q is fully stacked now. and we get 2 regen globes. Your Q, it's a little difficult to hit, but it's got a 2.5 second cooldown, so you can just throw it out again if you missed it. Of course, if you're a good chromie, you're not gonna miss it. But you shouldn't play chromie. You successfully played chromie by not playing her. That's how you play chromie, is you do not click that 10,000 gold button. See, that does a lot of damage. The explosion from Tyrael's trait does a lot of damage to a squishy. So, since she's gonna be standing still, right there, she's not gonna move. I don't know what made her move. Can she see me? That was an accident. I did not mean to drink from the fountain there. I don't think she can see me. I hope she can't see me over the wall, because that's called hacking. Level Chromie's trait makes sure it gets talents 1 level earlier than everybody else. So, level 3, you would go for Bronze Talons. What this does is it makes it so that you can clear things faster, like minion waves and objectives. Hold on a second. Oh, she moved up instead. Level 6, you would go for Bronze or Dragon's Eye, which your W will deal 25% more damage if you can land it right in the middle. Like that. See how I didn't land it in the middle? Then it did 25% less damage. 20% less damage, actually, if you're thinking about stats correctly. Boop. Boop. See how I landed that in the center? That did 821 instead of 657. Boop. Level 9, you go for the heroic Temporal Loop. What this does is it's an X marks the spot from Dota, if anybody knows what that is. So basically, I click on an enemy champion, and then 3 seconds later, they go back to where they were 3 seconds ago, when I clicked on them. And it makes it so that I can just instantly wipe out a person from the fight because I know where they'll be in 3 seconds. It's what I call an insta-tilt button. Because that's pretty much what it is. Remember that everything is 4% per level in this game, so at level 20 you're going to be dealing about 1,000 damage with your W and Q. Which is a lot, and I mean a lot of damage. To be able to deal 1,000 damage on one button is a very useful skill that not many people have. Not many people at all in the Heroes of the Strong. In the Nexus. I try to do the thing you do with League, where you just say the game's name as what it is. Like where all the heroes are, they're in the League of Legends when you are playing League. In this game, that's a dead person. No! No, it's not. Here. Let's just use our tempo leap right now. If I can consistently land my things, I can out-damage this, this Morales. The only problem with Bronze Talons is that you instantly auto-attack after your... What the hell just happened? What just happened? That looked weird. Yeah, I agree with you, Muradin. Here, guys, back out. Yeah, Silva's dead. I love how Muradin says we should capture this mercenary camp. We should capture this mercenary camp! I love dwarves. Except for Torbjorn, I hate Torbjorn. But I like British dwarves. Or Scottish dwarves, or whatever they are. I like the World of Warcraft dwarves. I hate the Overwatch dwarves. Boop. I don't understand why aren't you using... I don't understand why Sylvanas do this. They use their E to get to like as damage. It doesn't do any damage. Use it to get to places. Pro things there. So here's how you play Chromie. You land a Sandblast, and now they're dead. Or not, because my thing decided to hit Tyrael instead. Chromie's fun. I like Chromie. I like this build that has happened to Chromie. At least I didn't go for bye-bye this game. Normally you would go for bye-bye. I went for reaching through time, which increases the range of my abilities by 25%, which is a lot. So now my Q is that it goes like almost across the screen. And I'm dead. I'm just dead. See, if anyone jumps up on you as Chromie, you're just dead. Or not, I'm fine. See, if this Tyrael was to get his judgment onto me, I'd die. Normally you'd go for bye-bye, which reduces your Hearthstone cast time by 75% and makes it so you don't get interrupted by taking damage. So you can go back to base pretty much instantly, anytime you want, with the press of a button or clicking this down here. Level 15, you go for Quantum Overdrive, because it's like a wombo combo build that you go for here. You use your ult, and then when it's halfway done, you W and then Q. After you've activated the 20% increased ability power. Come on, Dibbles. He was so close. Oh, I'm just dead. Nope, I'm fine again. This team won't kill me. My positioning's really bad. This team won't kill me. See, I haven't died once this game. And I have 71,000 hero damage, which is a lot, actually. That's a bunch. That's a big chunk of hero damage. And 20 kills. 20 kills, 20 assists. And I haven't died once. And I'm about to die now. Wimps. So see, look at that. I messed it up, but she still died. You have to do it when it's exactly at half. When that time meter that shows I don't know what I'm doing over here. I don't know, but this Cheerio's dead. Or not. Okay, I don't know, but these people are dead. See, this is why I like Chromie. She insta-kills. I'm yet to do the full instant tilt combo. And I don't think I'll be able to. Nope, because the Immortal and Dibbles are just pushing. Tell the friendly team GG. Alright, that was a Chromie game. Have a nice day. Warning, everyone wanting to play Chromie, she is actually really difficult. She has a really high skill cap. I got her at level 5 and I'm still not that good with her. She takes a lot of skill. Just a quick warning.